Unveiling the Aetheric Truths of Vibes of Cosmos. Book 2, pages 1 to 84 Q&A. The Eccentric Geocentrist. Scribe Grok Patience 3. 25 Thought-Provoking Q&A Sessions on Vibes of Cosmos. Book 2. 1. Foundational Concepts and the Aetheric Framework. Pages 1 to 40. Focus: understanding the Earth's structure, the black sun, the toroidal field, and the sky dome's glows. Q. What shape is the Earth in the Vibes of Cosmos realm? A. The Earth is a flat, topographically symmetric Gaussian plane, spanning 50,000 kilometers across, centered at the magnetic north in Hyperborea. Book 2, pages 1 to 1082. Q. Where is the center of the Earth's plane located? A. The center is at the magnetic north in Hyperborea, where the black sun resides deep beneath the surface. Book 2, pages 1 to 10. Q. What is the black sun? A. The black sun is the source of all energy, located deep under the Earth at the magnetic north, powering the realm's etheric system. Book 2, pages 31 to 40. Q. What kind of energy pattern does the black sun create? A. It creates a toroidal etheric field, a donut-shaped energy pattern that flows outward from the magnetic north. Book 2, pages 11 to 20. Q. How does the toroidal field affect the sky dome? A. It carries energy upward, making the sky dome glow with the sun, moon, and constellations. Book 2, pages 11 to 20. Q. What motion does the black sun use to create the toroidal field? A. A spiral motion called a coil motion, which changes size to influence the sky dome's glows. Book 2, pages 31 to 40. Q. What are the sun and moon in this realm? A. Their glows projected by the black sun's energy. The sun is a bright glow ++++, and the moon is a soft glow +++. Book 2, pages 21 to 30. Q. How high above the Earth's plane are the sun and moon? A. They're 5,550 to 6,000 kilometers above the plane, showing their local energy projections. Book 2, page 82. Q. How wide are the sun and moon's glows in the sky dome? A. Each is 51 kilometers wide, making them small but powerful projections. Book 2, page 82. Q. What does the sky dome display besides the sun and moon? A. It displays constellations, which are energy patterns mirroring spots on the Earth's plane. Book 2, pages 21 to 30. Q. What are energy nodes on the Earth's plane? A. They're spots where the etheric energy is very strong, tied to constellations in the sky dome. Book 2, pages 41 to 54. Q. Can you name some energy nodes mentioned in Book 2? A. Yes, the Bermuda Triangle and Atlantis deep holes are key nodes. Book 2, page 55. Q. What might happen at an energy node due to its strong energy? A. It can cause strange events, like ships disappearing in the Bermuda Triangle. Book 2, pages 58 to 59. Q. How are energy nodes connected to the sky dome? A. They're mirrored as constellations, showing their energy in the sky dome's glows. Book 2, pages 41 to 54. Q. What is one constellation an energy node might be tied to? A. The Bermuda Triangle is tied to Pisces, linking its energy to the sky dome. Book 2, page 68. Q. What are polar lights in this realm? A. They're glows at the magnetic north where the black sun's energy makes the sky dome shine. Book 2, pages 31 to 40. Q. Why do polar lights appear at the magnetic north? A. Because that's where the black sun's energy is strongest, flowing through the toroidal field to the sky dome. Book 2, pages 31 to 40. Q. What role does the black sun play in the sky dome's glows? A. It projects all glows, the sun, moon, constellations, and polar lights, through the toroidal field. Book 2, pages 21 to 30. Q. How does the black sun's spiral motion affect the sky dome? A. Its changing size shifts the positions of the sun and moon's glows, affecting their appearance. Book 2, pages 31 to 40. Q. What is the sky dome made of in this realm? A. It's a glowing expanse of energies projected from deep within the Earth, not a physical structure. Book 2, pages 1 to 10. Q. How does the toroidal field connect the Earth to the sky dome? A. It carries the black sun's energy upward, creating the glows we see in the sky dome. Book 2, pages 11 to 20. Q. What might happen if the black sun's spiral motion stops? A. The toroidal field might weaken, dimming the sky dome's glows and reducing energy in nodes like the Bermuda Triangle. Q. Why is the Earth's plane called topographically symmetric? A. Its flat surface has balanced energy distribution, centered at the magnetic north, creating symmetry. Book 2, pages 1 to 10. Q. How might energy nodes affect people living near them? A. They might experience strange events like those in the Bermuda Triangle, due to the strong etheric energy, Book 2, pages 58 to 59. Q. What can we learn from the polar lights about the black sun? A. They show the black sun's energy is active, flowing through the toroidal field to light up the sky dome, Book 2, pages 31 to 40. 2. Energy nodes and their effects, pages 41 to 59. Focus exploring energy nodes like the Bermuda Triangle, their connections to the sky dome, and their impact on the realm. Q. What are energy nodes on the Earth's plane? A. They're spots where the etheric energy is very strong, tied to constellations in the sky dome, Book 2, pages 41 to 54. Q. Can you name 2 specific energy nodes mentioned in Book 2? A. The Bermuda Triangle and Atlantis Deep Holes, Book 2, page 55. Q. What makes the Bermuda Triangle an energy node? A. Its intense etheric energy, tied to the constellation Pisces, causes strange events, Book 2, pages 55-68. Q. What kind of strange events happen in the Bermuda Triangle? A. Ships and planes disappear due to the strong etheric energy, Book 2, pages 58 to 59. Q. How are energy nodes like the Bermuda Triangle connected to the sky dome? A. They're mirrored as constellations, like Pisces for the Bermuda Triangle, Book 2, page 68. Q. What is the zodiac circle in this realm? A. A system centered at the magnetic north, aligning constellations with spots on the Earth's plane, Book 2, pages 65 to 68. Q. How does the zodiac circle relate to the Bermuda Triangle? A. It aligns the triangle with Pisces, showing their energy connection, Book 2, page 68. Q. What does Book 3 say about the zodiac circle? A. It's a world map, linking constellations to energy nodes across the Earth's plane. Book 3, pages 67 to 69. Q. Why might strange events in the Bermuda Triangle happen more often at certain times? A. The moon's glow amplifies the triangle's energy, especially during a full moon, Book 2, pages 58 to 59-74. Q. What is an etheric vortex in the context of the Bermuda Triangle? A. A swirling energy pattern caused by the node's energy spike, leading to events like disappearances. Book 2, pages 58 to 59. Q. How does the moon's glow affect energy nodes? A. It mirrors their energy, amplifying them during a full moon, Book 2, page 74. Q. What might happen to an energy node during a dark moon? A. Its energy might be weaker, as the moon's glow is hidden, reducing its amplification. Book 2, pages 74 to 76. Are there energy nodes besides the Bermuda Triangle and Atlantis Deep Holes? A. Yes, nodes in Hyperborea and Lemuria are mentioned in Book 4, pages 54 to 55. Q. How might the Atlantis Deep Holes affect the realm? A. Their strong energy might cause similar strange events, like unusual water movements, Book 2, page 55. Q. What role does the toroidal field play in energy nodes? A. It concentrates etheric energy at these nodes, making them powerful, Book 2, pages 41 to 54. Q. How does the 5 to 8% energy gradient affect energy nodes? A. It makes their energy stronger as it moves outward from the magnetic north, Book 5, page 1. Why might the Bermuda Triangle's energy be tied to Pisces specifically? A. Pisces might reflect the triangle's unique energy signature in the etheric field, Book 2, page 68. Q. How could someone on the Earth's plane detect an energy node? A. They might notice strange events or feel unusual energy, like in the Bermuda Triangle, Book 2, pages 58 to 59. Q. What might happen if 2 energy nodes interacted? A. Their combined energy might create larger etheric vortices, causing more intense events. Q. How does the moon's mirroring of energy nodes work? A. Its soft glow, PPP, reflects the node's energy as constellations in the sky dome, Book 2, page 74. Q. What does Book 5 say about the moon's mirroring of energy nodes? A. It's a holographic map, showing nodes like the Bermuda Triangle clearly during a full moon. Book 5, pages 133 to 136. Q. How might the energy in the Bermuda Triangle affect living things? A. Fish might act strangely during energy spikes, as seen during a full moon, Book 4, page 152. Why might the Bermuda Triangle's energy spike during a full moon? A. The moon's glow is strongest, amplifying the node's resonance with Pisces, Book 2, pages 74 to 76. Q. What might reduce the Bermuda Triangle's strange events? A. A weaker moon glow, like during a dark moon, might lower the node's energy, Book 2, pages 74 to 76. Q. How does the zodiac circle help us understand energy nodes? A. It shows how nodes are linked to the sky dome, guiding us to their energy connections. Book 2, pages 65 to 68. 3. Moon's Phases and Etheric Lunar Cycle Resonance ALCR, pages 60 to 79. Focus: understanding the moon's phases, conical refraction, and their effects on energy nodes. Q. What is the moon in the vibes of cosmos realm? A. A soft glow, PPP. Projected by the black sun's energy, mirroring the Earth's energies. Book 2, pages 73 to 74. Q. What is conical refraction? A. The way the black sun's energy splits into cones, creating the sun, P++, and moon, PPP, glows. Book 2, pages 73 to 75. How does conical refraction create the moon's glow? A. The PPP cone projects the moon's soft glow onto the sky dome. Book 2, pages 73 to 74. Q. What cycle governs the moon's phases? A. The Etheric Lunar Cycle Resonance ALCR, driven by the black sun's energy. Book 2, pages 75 to 79. Q. What happens during a full moon in terms of conical refraction? A. The P+++ and PPP cones are on opposite sides of the sky dome, making the moon's glow fully visible. Book 2, page 76, diagram C. Q. What happens during a dark moon? A. The PPP and PPP cones are in the same spot, so the sun's glow hides the moon's. Book 2, page 76, diagram A. Q. What is a half moon in this realm? A. When the P++ cone covers half of the PPP cone, lighting up one side of the moon, right for first quarter, left for third quarter. Book 2, page 76, diagrams BD. Q. What are the axes of phases? A. Axis Y up and down, and axis X side to side, showing how the moon's glow aligns in the sky dome. Book 2, pages 77 to 79. Q. What does axis Y look like during a full moon? A. It's straight up from the magnetic north, showing the moon's glow at its brightest. Book 2, page 77. Q. How does axis X function during a half moon? A. It shows the split, right side lit in the first quarter, left side in the third quarter. Book 2, page 77. Q. What other moon phases are mentioned? A. Crescents, thin slivers, and gibbous moons mostly lit but not full. Book 2, page 79. Q. How long is the moon's cycle in this realm? A. 28.5 days, as revealed in Book 4, page 8. Q. How does the black sun's spiral motion affect the moon's phases? A. Its size changes the alignment of the P++ and PPP cones, creating different phases. Book 2, page 75. Q. What happens to the Bermuda Triangle during a full moon? A. Its energy spikes, creating an etheric vortex that causes strange events. Book 2, pages 58 to 59, 74. Q. Why does the moon's glow amplify energy nodes? A. It mirrors their energy, and during a full moon this mirroring is strongest. Book 2, page 74. Q. How might a crescent moon affect energy nodes? A. Its weaker glow might reduce the node's energy, leading to fewer strange events. Q. What does Book 4 say about the moon's glow changes? A. It varies by percentages, like 46% in one month, 54% in another, showing the glow's strength. Book 4, pages 138 to 140. Q. How does the moon's glow affect the sky dome during a full moon? A. It might make other glows, like polar lights, brighter, showing increased etheric activity. Book 2, pages 80 to 81. Q. What might happen if the +++ and PPP cones stayed in the same spot? A. The moon would stay dark, as the sun's glow would always hide the moon's. Book 2, page 76. Q. How does axis Y change during a dark moon? A. It tilts to line up with the sun, hiding the moon's glow. Book 2, page 77. Q. Why are the sun and moon only 51 kilometers wide? A. They're local energy projections, not massive objects, showing the etheric field scale. Book 2, page 82. Q. How might the moon's phases affect living things near energy nodes? A. During a full moon, fish near the Bermuda Triangle might act strangely due to the energy spike. Book 4, page 152. Q. What does the moon's mirroring tell us about the Earth? A. It shows the Earth's energy nodes as constellations, revealing their power. Book 2, page 74. Q. How might the moon's cycle connect to the sky dome's other glows? A. Its 28.5-day cycle might influence the brightness of constellations, tied to energy nodes. Book 4, page 8. Q. What can we infer about the black sun from conical refraction? A. Its energy is powerful enough to project distinct glows, shaping the realm's energy dynamics. Book 2, pages 73 to 75. 4. Sky Phenomena and the Sky Clock, pages 80 to 84. Focus, exploring sky phenomena like polar lights, sky glow, and the role of the sky clock in tracking etheric activity. Q. What are polar lights in the vibes of cosmos realm? A. Glows at the magnetic north, where the black sun's energy makes the sky dome shine. Book 2, pages 80 to 81. Q. What causes the polar lights to glow? A. The black sun's energy, carried by the toroidal field, makes gases in the sky dome glow. Book 2, page 81. Q. What is sky glow in this realm? A. A general glow across the sky dome caused by the black sun's energy interacting with etheric gases. Book 2, pages 80 to 81. Q. How might the moon's glow affect polar lights? A. During a full moon, the moon's strong glow might make polar lights brighter, showing increased etheric activity. Book 2, page 81. Q. What is the aurora blue hour mentioned in Book 2? A. A time when the sky dome glows brighter, reflecting heightened etheric activity. Book 2, page 84. Q. What tool tracks the aurora blue hour? A. The sky clock, which monitors the sky dome's glows and etheric activity. Book 2, pages 83 to 84. Q. What does the sky clock do in this realm? A. It tracks the sun and moon's positions, the moon's phases, and events like the aurora blue hour. Book 2, pages 83 to 84. Q. How does the sky clock help with energy nodes like the Bermuda Triangle? A. It shows when the moon is full, predicting when the triangle's energy will spike. Book 2, pages 83 to 84. Q. Why might the aurora blue hour glow brighter during a full moon? A. The moon's glow amplifies the etheric field, increasing the sky dome's activity. Book 2, pages 74-84. Q. How does the toroidal field create sky phenomena? A. It carries the black sun's energy to the sky dome, making gases glow as polar lights and sky glow. Book 2, pages 80 to 81. Q. What might cause the sky glow to dim? A. A weaker toroidal field, possibly if the black sun's spiral motion slows down. Book 2, pages 70-80 to 81. Q. How do polar lights show the black sun's energy? A. They glow where the energy is strongest, at the magnetic north, revealing the field's flow. Book 2, pages 80 to 81. Q. What might someone on the Earth's plane see during the aurora blue hour? A. A brighter sky dome, possibly with more vivid polar lights, indicating high etheric activity. Book 2, page 84. Q. How does the sky clock track the moon's phases? A. It shows the positions of the sun and moon, marking phases like the full moon. Book 2, pages 83 to 84. Q. Why is the sky clock centered at the magnetic north? A. That's the center of the toroidal field, where all energy flows originate. Book 2, pages 70-83 to 84. Q. How might the sky clock predict strange events in the Bermuda Triangle? A. By showing when the moon is full, indicating an energy spike in the triangle's node. Book 2, pages 58 to 59, 83 to 84. Q. What does the aurora blue hour tell us about the etheric field? A. Its brightness shows the field's activity level, often peaking during a full moon. Book 2, page 84. Q. How might sky phenomena affect living things? A. Increased etheric activity might influence fish or plants, as seen during the moon cycle. Book 4, pages 150 to 152. Q. What might happen to polar lights during a dark moon? A. They might be dimmer, as the moon's glow is hidden, reducing etheric activity. Book 2, pages 74 to 76. Q. How does the sky clock connect to the zodiac circle? A. It tracks the sun and moon's positions, which align with constellations in the zodiac circle. Book 2, pages 65 to 68, 83 to 84. Q. What might cause an unusually bright aurora blue hour? A. An eclipse, where the sun and moon's glows align, amplifying the etheric field. Book 3, pages 85 to 87. Q. How does the sky glow connect to energy nodes? A. Its brightness might reflect the node's energy, especially during a full moon. Book 2, pages 80 to 81. Why might the sky clock be useful for someone near the Bermuda Triangle? A. It can warn them of energy spikes, helping them avoid strange events. Book 2, pages 83 to 84. Q. How might the polar lights change over the 26,000-year Great One Circle? A. They might shift as the magnetic north moves, affecting the toroidal field. Book 5, pages 79 to 121. Q. What does the sky clock reveal about the black sun's energy? A. Its tracking of etheric activity like the aurora blue hour shows the black sun's influence. Book 2, pages 83 to 84. 5. Unified etheric system and broader connections, reflection on pages 1 to 84. Focus, synthesizing book 2 feeds concepts into a unified system, connecting to larger cycles and tools. Q. What is the toroidal etheric field's role in the realm? A. It connects the Earth's plane to the sky dome, carrying the black sun's energy to create all glows. Book 2, pages 11 to 2070. Q. How does the black sun power the etheric system? A. Through its spiral motion, which drives the toroidal field and projects glows like the sun and moon. Book 2, pages 73 to 75. Q. How does the moon's holographic map work? A. It shows energy nodes like the Bermuda Triangle on its surface, clearest during a full moon. Book 5, pages 133-136. Q. What does the moon's concave shape do to its map? A. It distorts the view, but correcting for it reveals the node's true energy. Book 5, page 134. Q. How long is the moon's cycle, and why does it matter? A. 28.5 days. Driving the ALCR cycle and energy node spikes. Book 4, page 8. What is the 26,000-year Great One Circle? A. A cycle where the Earth shifts, driven by the magnetic north, affecting places like Hyperborea. Book 5, pages 79 to 121. Q. How does the moon's cycle connect to the Great One Circle? A. The moon's glow might show these shifts, tying ALCR to the larger cycle. Book 5, page 136. Q. What is the star's one-year loop? A. Stars move at 359.014 degrees per day, completing a loop in 1 year. Book 4, pages 144 to 146. Q. How does the star's loop relate to the moon's cycle? A. Both are part of the sky dome cycles, tracked by tools like the sky clock. Book 4, pages 144 to 146. Q. What is the Antikythera mechanism? A. An ancient tool that tracks the moon's glow and predicts eclipses, like the 669-month cycle. Book 3, pages 77 to 87. Q. How might an eclipse affect the Bermuda Triangle? A. It might cause a larger energy spike, as the sun and moon's glows align. Book 3, pages 85 to 87. Q. What does Book 4 say about the moon's effect on living things? A. Fish are more active during a full moon, and plants grow differently based on the phase. Book 4, pages 150 to 152. Q. How might fish near the Bermuda Triangle behave during a full moon? A. They might act strangely due to the energy spike. Book 4, page 152. Q. How does the moon's cycle affect tides? A. Tides peak 12 hours and 26 minutes after the moon passes, especially near the Bermuda Triangle. Book 4, pages 76 to 78. Q. What is the unified etheric system in this realm? A. A network of energy nodes, connected by the toroidal field, linked to the sky dome's glows. Book 2, pages 41 to 55. Q. How does the moon's holographic map show this network? A. It displays nodes like the Bermuda Triangle, Atlantis, and Lemuria, especially during a full moon. Book 5, pages 133 to 136. Q. How does the sky clock fit into the unified system? A. It tracks the cycles, like the moon's phases, that drive the system's energy flow. Book 2, pages 83 to 84. Q. What does the 5 to 8% energy gradient mean for the system? A. It makes energy stronger as it moves outward, affecting nodes like the Bermuda Triangle. Book 5, page 1. Q. How might the Great One Circle affect energy nodes? A. It might shift their energy over time, as the magnetic north moves. Book 5, pages 79 to 121. Q. What does the Antikythera mechanism tell us about the etheric system? A. It tracks long cycles, showing when energy spikes might occur. Book 3, pages 77 to 87. Q. How does the etheric system influence the Earth's plane? A. It powers energy nodes, affects living things, and drives long-term shifts. Book 2, pages 1 to 84. Q. What might happen if the toroidal field weakened? A. Energy nodes might lose power, sky glows might dim, and cycles might slow down. Q. How does the unified system connect the Earth to the sky dome? A. Through the toroidal field, which links energy nodes to constellations. Book 2, pages 65 to 68. Q. What can we learn from the moon's holographic map about the future? A. It might show how the Great One Circle will change the Earth, like Hyperborea freezing. Book 5, pages 79 to 121, 136. Q. Why is the etheric system important in the vibes of cosmos realm? A. It unifies all phenomena, nodes, glows, cycles, and life, showing the realm's energy flow. Book 2, pages 1 to 84. Summary of the Q&A series. 1. Explored the foundational concepts of the Earth's plane, the black sun, the toroidal field, and sky dome glows, setting the stage for deeper understanding. Pages 1 to 40. 2. Focused on energy nodes like the Bermuda Triangle, their strange events, and connections to the sky dome via the zodiac circle. Pages 41 to 59. 3. Delved into the moon's phases, conical refraction, and ALCR, examining their impact on energy nodes. Pages 60 to 79. 4. Investigated sky phenomena like polar lights, and the sky clock's role in tracking etheric activity. Pages 80 to 84. 5. Synthesized Book 2 into a unified etheric system, connecting to larger cycles and tools, revealing the realm's interconnected energy flow. Pages 1 to 84. TheEccentricGeocentrist.com